Alright, so right now we're in the trusty dusty old Toyota Avalon, headed down to the hardware store. We're gonna grab some screws that we can screw into all of the Pitbike tires, and we're gonna stud them all, and hopefully we can take them out on the ice and see what they can do out there. Yeah, we don't really know if this is gonna work. We might just end up popping all of our tires, but we're gonna try it anyway, see how it goes. It might actually work. So we try it. We got what we were here for. A screwdriver. Alright, so we're just gonna get 2 boxes of these because they're kind of expensive, and we're just gonna stud one Pitbike, see how it goes, and then if it works pretty well, we are going to stud the rest of them.
Have a good day, guys. Thank you. For now, we gotta get them into the Pitbike. We're gonna put it on each one of these treads and get it out onto the ice. Hopefully she'll rip, and I don't know how thick the ice is yet. What do you think, Cody?
We might go through.
Probably will go through, but you know, it's for you guys. Got finished up with the first wheel, so we're on to the next one. We're not exactly sure if this is gonna work yet, but it looks pretty dang good now. We ran out of screws, so we had to go back to the store just to finish the first tire. So we're about to finish that up, and then we're gonna get onto the back tires. This is what the almost complete looks like. So dope. Done with this. So the only thing we have to avoid is putting it on any cement or tar, so these things don't get scraped up, and we'll bring it to the ice, get it loaded up. This thing will rip.
The truck was so worth it. This guy couldn't get out of a puddle if he wanted to. Whoa, whoa! Yeah, it's an Avalon. Get that off. Alright, Jordan, there you go. the ice a quick check.
Oh my gosh.
It's actually nice. Not bad. Look at that view. I should have seen this coming. Go down, man. Let's go, dude. Oh, what the? Jesus. Dude, you gotta try it. It's so fun. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God. This is a oh my gosh, dude.
Oh, sick.
Dude, the thing freaking rips. All that freaking hard work screwing. Oh, wow!
Dude, it is so slippery right here.
Holy crap, dude, get her up! Whoa!
Yeah, it is so slippery right here.
See, we got like two more minutes before we lose the sun.
Take two.
Good session. All right, well,
So we lost all of our daylight, but definitely worth it even if we got out here for like 20 minutes. I mean, I don't know if you can see how dark it is, but these things are working money. They just rip the ice apart. They almost like don't rip it up hard enough that you can like drift. Unreal.
Next, you gotta get the skater behind.
Yeah, we gotta get somebody on skates behind this thing,
Yeah.
dude.
Freaking YouTube video, bro.
Dude, you're looking at one right now. Dude, why did we? Dude, we will be back out in the morning. Yeah, seriously.
I mean, I honestly
Part
think the
two.
lighting made it better.
Yeah.
Like, it looked sick when you, like, the sunset
I mean, dude,
right
look
there,
at
you'd be
look
ripping.
at how
Yeah.
still I got plenty of light on mine.
You'd be, like, ripping across there. It's, like, sick-ass lighting.
All right, let's pack it up. I can't feel my fingers.
It's freezing. Freezing.
Yeah.
You!
So last night we were out on the pit bikes on the ice, and it was pretty wild. Studded the tires. Yeah, it got a little dark out, so we couldn't really keep going. But we're definitely going back this morning. It absolutely dumped snow last night, so we're not really sure exactly what it's gonna look like out on the ice, but we're still gonna rip it anyways. Luckily, last night when we got back, we covered up the bike in the back of Trevor's truck, so shouldn't have any snow in it or on it. Shouldn't really be a problem anyway. We'll get this thing loaded up. I'm probably gonna head back down to the ice, get back out there, and see how it goes.
found neutral there.
Sheesh.
Ah. Can we get the skates out?
Yeah, I'd say bust out the skates now. All right, so we got the rope hooked up to the dirt bike. It's gonna be flying behind it.
No, he's still holding on. Well, didn't quite work out. We wanted to, but it was still fun.
It looked like it worked from here.
Oh, I got a bunch of snow to eat. He definitely needs to put skates on. Woo! Boots didn't work so well, so we're swapping the skates. A little tight. A little bit fun.
I've been modified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't wrecking dirt, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seeing somebody stop. Knock you off a base with a bat when them niggas slide. Homicide, genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war. Take that nigga, he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood life, my nigga doing dope lines. Don't run into the cops, that's a exercise. Don't run into the cops, that's the motto. I don't see it coming to an end like legato.
Are you okay?
Getting chipped like cicados in the wave through the hood, now it sounding like bravado. Why you eat bread with avocado? We been trying to die shows before it landed on tomato. Singing all my sorrows on Apollo. I've been trying to pave the way, but they didn't tell me it was potholes. America ain't dreaming, it been scheming when the birth definition came from black. We all know it's black genius. Everybody love the culture, they be black by convenience. Sounding like a real anthem. Shawty saw my wallet, now she think I answer. Whoa, telling me she wanted me to.
Well, how was that?
Oh, nothing better. Woo! It's a blast. I mean, look at where we are. So beautiful out. When you get out into like the untouched snow, it's just crazy. It looks like it's floating. All you have to do is avoid the bumps when you're skating.
Sounding like a real anthem. Shawty saw my wallet, now she think I answer. Whoa, telling me she wanted me to hammer. Trying to get saved, baby, I am not the answer. No, I can never trick. Just a bitch, she's my bitch with a kiss on my lip like. I am not a pimp with a lip, I'm a man with a gift, and I'm doing right shit like. Tell them other nips, I'm the man in the city, and my bank account bigger, and my body count bigger. That's without a doubt. I'm 100 steps ahead. That's a lot of mouth. That's a lot of clout. What you all about? What your dollar amount? You a boy scout? Yeah, I'm a big dog. Tell the truth, I don't keep charting.
Still in one piece?
Yeah. I tried dismounting, and I didn't go anywhere. Well, how was it? Well, I tried jumping off at the end and sliding in, but I hit the ground and just didn't go anywhere.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
Oh, frosted snowman out here.
Seems like it worked pretty well. Other than the little snow patches.
You literally just, they get you on those little snow hills and then you just fall right first. So cool.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Well, the sun is going down. It is confirmed the most fun thing you can do in the wintertime is studding a Pitbike tire. Got Cody here. Thank you so much for watching. It only gets better from here. We'll see you next time.
Sounding like a real anthem. Shawty saw my wallet, now she think I answer. Whoa, telling me she wanted me to hammer. Trying to get saved, baby, I am not the answer. No, I can never trick. Just a bitch, she's my bitch with a kiss on my lips like. I am not a pimp with a lip, I'm a man with a gift, and I'm doing right shit like. Tell them other nips, I'm the nip, I'm the man in the city, and my bank account bigger, and my body count bigger. That's without a doubt. I'm 100 steps ahead. That's a lot of mouth. That's a lot of clout. What you all about? What your dollar amount? You a boy scout? Yeah, I'm a big dog. Tell the truth, I don't get charged. Shoot, sign up 20.
Whoa, you all right?
Oh, bro, I can't.
Hey, a bald eagle. Whoa. It's a sign. Alright, my hands are cold. Let's head out. Nice job, buddy.
Sounds good.
Hell yeah.